This is liquidity area. What is this happening? Let's review USD. So the scenario comes here. Okay, so the thing is on 1 hour, 1 hour पे ऑर्डर ब्लॉक है ये वाला, जिसको मार्केट टच कर चुकी है. ओके, 1 आवर. ठीक है, अब इसका क्या सिनेरियो है 15 मिनट्स पे अगर जाए, चलो 5 मिनट्स पे चले, 5 मिनट्स पे जाके देखें तो मार्केट नीचे गई लिक्विडिटी के साथ इस 1 आवर ब्लॉक में आई. ठीक है, उसके बाद we needed to see a break in our favor. That's a break in our favor. Okay, BOS, and now that's the liquidity area X. मार्केट पे एक ब्रेक दिया नीचे, मार्केट पे 1 ब्रेक के बाद सिनेरियो क्या है यहाँ पे, मार्केट ने 5 मिनट्स पे लिक्विडिटी ली है और मार्केट इसके बाद ब्रेक करती है तो मार्केट बाय है. Let's see on Nasdaq 1H candle mass. Don't let me royalty. 4 hour, there's a liquidity level, liquidity sweep on 1 hour. What is happening? What the hell is this? Okay. Public, everyone can see USD. What is going on? No, it's not my pocket. Yes, 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 yes. What is this, bro? What is this? No one can comment on my screen. Seriously. I'm checking, brother. I'm checking. I'm checking. I'm checking. But it has taken all the liquidity and tapped into the 1 hour order block. No, it can go by to. Yes, that's true. What is happening? Why? And tapped into the 1 hour order block. No, it can go by to. कहाँ देखा है? No, bro. You can. Live chat is on. If you know, if 4 hours. There is no order block on 4 hour. Okay, you know, on 1 hour, if we see how many breaks do we have? This was the highest point, and its lowest point was this. This shifted, and the highest was this. We have just got one break to the downside, which means it can be liquidity. You know, market has tapped into 4 hour bearish. What? How 1 hour is bearish, bro? How 1 hour is bearish? Look, and if we go to 5 minutes, we go to 5 minutes. You know, which sort of candle is that? That's a black candle. Market swept the liquidity and tapped the order block. This low can be a buy. This what it I can send you. 1 hour, 1 hour. What you are saying is what you are saying like this break and this break. Okay. I know what you're saying. This and this. Okay, answer me one thing. Answer me one thing. Okay, 1 hour. Okay. On 1 hour, you okay? Let's just you are saying like this is the first break. Although, although for me, the break would be from this low or this high. Okay, simple. This was a big shift, and this is the high. Anything above breaks above this or this. These are internal structure. Okay, but let us consider your statement at the moment. This is the first break, and this is the second break, and this we have got another block. Okay, on 15 minutes, on 15 minutes. Okay, we have swept the liquidity here or here or here and tapped into the order flow. Okay, on 5 minutes, on 5 minutes, look, on 5 minutes, what on 5 minutes we cannot see the internal structure. Keep in mind, we cannot see the internal structure. So, what was the structure in 5 minutes? This was the high, last high, and what was the low? This was the low. This got broke. This, this. So now this is the high, and this is the low. This high got broken by this. This was the first break. We cannot see what is happening inside this and this. This was the first break, right? This like this. This was the first break, like break of structure, and there is no break. There is no break after that. After this break, that means that is considered as a liquidity. One break is considered as a liquidity. Is a liquidity. Okay, simple. No, this, not this, not this, not this. This this break is considered the liquidity. After sweeping the liquidity, it went up, into the order block, and now we have the entry. Like uh, this was the entry. It didn't break, you know, so the entry became like this. So this was the entry, like this, this or this, 25 pips, which is already done. Retest is also done. Retest here is also done. If we consider this, if we consider this, the retest is also done, and we have got the entry. We have got the entry. This is the whole scenario. This is the whole scenario. So that's why I am not looking for sell again. Yes, we can look for sell. We can look for sell on on one base. On one base, let me tell you. On other brokers, on other brokers, let me tell you, on other brokers, we have this candle as a green candle. Okay, so we can mark this order block. You know, we can mark this order. If the market sweeps the liquidity and taps into the order block, and now with a minor structured break, we can look for sells again. I don't know if you got my point or not. If the market sweeps the liquidity and taps into the order block, and now with a minor structured break, we can look for sells again. I don't know. This is the liquidity. We have got a liquidity, liquidity level. Gold short. Okay, US 30. Okay, let's go to higher time frame first. 4 hours. You know what 4 hour has done? Okay. 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. This candle hasn't closed yet. So this was the liquidity sweep and okay. Okay. It's 4 hour is bullish. 1 hour, you know 1 hour swept the liquidity. I think someone sold yesterday. Okay, let me see the sell. It was sell. You know, one break, two break, one break in favor. No, no, US 30 couldn't go for sell. That's one thing I don't like about this strategy, that we are looking for sells on all time high. That's the thing I don't like. Okay, because we have been taught that every higher low is a liquidity. So how can we look at this as a liquidity? Oh, no worries. 1 hour. Hmm. That's a break of structure. And if it closes below this, that's not a break of structure. That's that's a liquidity sweep. Okay, but we don't have any red candle in between, so we cannot see a liquidity on lower level. Okay, and order block on 1 hour and 4 hour is very far, very far. Okay, on 15 minutes, on 15 minutes, what is happening? High highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. That's a liquidity game, liquidity sweep. On 15 minutes, on 15, if market breaks 15 minutes, on 15 minutes, if market breaks below this, that's a break of structure. Okay, after we get a 15 minutes break of structure, 15 minutes break of structure like this, we have got a break of structure, then it will leave an order block behind, leave an order block behind. We will look into like this order block tab with liquidity. you know, After that, if there is more than two breaks to reach order block, then we will look for this, and this whole game is something we need a break of structure to the downside, that is change of character, that is a change of character. After that break, we can sell. No, I'm not saying about not saying about 5 minutes. I am saying about 15 minutes. 5 minutes is very risky, very risky. Okay, on 5 minutes, 5 minutes, yes, market did give a break to the downside, but there is no liquidity on higher time frame. So now that the market has grabbed liquidity, now we want a break in our favor. There was no liquidity till now, no liquidity, no liquidity. Market showed the liquidity right here, you know, like this. Okay, yeah, what the hell is anyone saying? Buys, yeah, I think so. Buys are, clear. Buys are clear. Buys are clear. Too. Hmm. I don't think. Not tabbed, not a block. Still, what everyone is saying, they're saying that this is a liquidity sweep. It's a liquidity sweep. Market tapped inside the block. For them, this is the entry. For them, this is the entry. You know what I'm saying? 5 minutes OP tap is remaining. You do not. Do we have an order block of 15 minutes? There is no breakout structure, so we don't have. I was We don't have an OB on 15 minutes. We just have an OB on 5 minutes. We just need, like this, this, this. We just need, like this. Okay, okay, okay. Hang on a little bit. यहाँ से होना चाहिए, यहाँ से करते थे. So, if it does not give, any sales, like a break of this or a break of support forms here, you know, it means the market is gonna go up because most of the people in group have, taken buys from here, like this. A lot of people have taken buys from here, they might get stopped out, but if we want to look for sells, we'll only look for sells after the market, after the candle, or there will be a wick to this order block, this order block. And remember, there will be no two breaks. If you look at this, one break or two breaks, there will be no two breaks. It will be a internal structure. This high and this low is the main swing low and swing high. You know, we want to see these breaks, for a break of structure or a change of character. These breaks doesn't matter. These are just liquidities. But if it goes, in buys, let's suppose, if it goes in buys, it will not be according to the strategy. Obviously, it will not be according to the strategy. But if it goes, buys, then I want it should go in a specific direction. But don't give sells confirmation and go and buy. I just want this liquidity to be taken. Liquidity has taken. After liquidity, it should tap into the order block, 5 minute order block. Now let me 5 minutes will be. Oh, where is that? After this 5 minute will be tapped. We will then look for the break below this. Why I have marked this, because most of the people in group have taken buys. If it goes a buy, I will leave everything. I will not trade. I will not do it because I have come here with my mind that I am planning for sales. You know, I want if buys are are wrong, so it should reach to 1 to 1 risk reward. If it reaches 1 to 1 risk reward, remember you know they will they'll move their stop loss to break even, so they will be safe too. I just want I want that too. I want to save those guys too. I hope you have understood what we're looking for. You know, that's a break, that's order block, that's a liquidity, this liquidity, that's a liquidity sweep, and now we want an order block tap. After order block tap, we just need to break this above below this. And if it creates a resistance here higher, we will take our stop loss to this. Most of the people have bought the market, but let's see what happens. Till then, let's just look at our own strategy. NAS 100, a 1 hour candle. Oh, nice, nice. This is the candle. This is candle. This is the candle. 7 a.m. candle. 8 a.m. candle swept the high and took out this liquidity and this liquidity as well. We'll go to 1 minute. On 1 minute we need to see a break of structure. Do we have a break of structure? This was the break of structure. After the break of structure, like this, like this. This was the break of structure. This was the break of structure. This is the I think this was the break of structure. Yes, yes, yes. This was a break of structure. You know, and this order block, this fair value gap was the entry on 1 minute and on uh, 1 hour. The target, target should be very clear. Let me tell you target. This is a CRT kind of theory. It can move to from here, or it can go right below here like this. On GBP JPY, what is happening? This is the area. Okay, let me tell you one thing. This is where market started. Opening of the market. We just want to see the opening of the market. This was the opening, and this was the swing high that got broke. This was the swing low, swing high. Okay, market reached to this level, and now we want to sell the market. This was the high, and this was the low. You know, this was fair value gap formed. Market is currently in this fair value gap. Okay, we can sell from here. Stops about this. I know it's a very big trade, but this is the strategy. Very big trade, bro. Very big trade. Not in mood. Let's move to gold. I said people who are looking for buys, you know, will, this is the trade they have placed. This is the trade they have placed. So what is happening? They are still in drawdown. There is 1%. They are in 0.5% drawdown. It's all the game of patience, man. Patience, 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 patience. Should wait for the correct time. Time. Buys are, out. Buys are out. Buys are out. Buys are out. Buys are out. But still no order block tap. Not taking a trade. Someone said on 4 hours there is a order block. Is there high, low, high, and low? Yes, yes, yes. There is an order block of 4 hours. Okay, I'm getting it on 5 minutes. You know, market tab into order block. Okay, it means our entry is secure. No gold 25 pips like this. Okay, I just want 2 to 2.5%. I think I'll target 3%. Okay, I have to pass the account in one trade. Leave. Okay, we can look for sells if it if the candle closes below. I'm opening my trade locker. Here's my trade locker. Trade locker opening. If go for 30 pips, gold 30 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips. My trade locker is open. Okay. Hot, hot, it's hot. Pending order draft. 257 2576. Okay, SL is placed at 2576 25786 7869. Okay. Let the candle close. Let the candle close. 4, 3, 2, 1. Sell limit. Confirm. Done. My trade is done. My trade is done. You know, done. Order is done. Let's see. Just one trade. If I fail in this trade, I will not trade. I'm in this trade. Let's see what happens. Anybody in with me? Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me. One is to one was done or not? Yes. 1:1 done. Break even. . Getting myself a glass of water. 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 I am break even, guys. Break even. I'm break even. Let's see how it plays. I just have one, funded account of 10,000, dollars. I have to make it $500 in it. Let's see how it goes. I'm break even. I'm risk free. Right now I'm risk free. Let it go. There's a one trade, I have to do today. Only one trade. You know what? If I close my trade at break even, I will not take another trade. You know, in this funded account, this is an express account from Arctic Funding. Uh, in this account, I think the maximum drawdown is just $500. So I have to make, and the daily drawdown is $200. So I have just no. The maximum is 400, and the daily is 300. I have just to make 500 to to pass challenge. I think I am closing my trade. The spreads are wide, so I think I have closed my trade. You know what? You know what, guys? You know what? You know what? You know what? You know what? For me, TP1. This was the TP1. I think this was the TP1. Yes, I took some partials here. I raised 4% of $10,000. That is 4% of 10,000. What is this? How $400? That is $400. I took 200 right here. Here I am. Now close at break even. Now my account balance is, let me show you. My account balance on $10,000 account. On $10,000 account, if you see, I have $10,213. I took a partial. I want to see something on 15 minutes. In London session, there was a time, there was a sell, I guess. So, oh, here is the London session. Or here is the London session. Three. Here is three. Three. Fair value gap. First fair value gap that forms closes. No, that was not clear. There is a strategy in London. London Times. Yeah, you know what Vlad said? Vlad said, if you close, if you hit your break even SL, you need to see a liquidity again. You need to see a liquidity again. What? But no one is at loss at least. I'm not looking at this. Let's look at NAS. I'm done with gold today. Gold is enough. US 30. It has taken liquidity from down. I wanted to see a break of structure. Want to see a break of structure to the downside. Who was saying to enter on 5 minutes? What is NAS doing? NAS doing? NAS doing? Okay, man. Okay, man. What is this? Huh? What is this? Liquidity speed. 5 minutes. Nothing else. 5 minutes break of structure. I think that's a break of structure. That's order block tab with liquidity. I think it's going to go up. US 30. Gas health is difficult to use 30. If we look at US 30, it shifted its character to the downside. One break, two break, three breaks. Okay. After this, with liquidity, after this, it got it gave us a market structure shift, break of structure, and so this that was order block. Market came with the order block with this, with this, with this, and we want to see this. We got a break, but we cannot enter here because the stop loss will be too big. You know, US 30 50 pips stop loss would be too big. What do we need? I want to sell, bro. No, no, no looking for buys. Just selling. For selling, liquidity sweep done. Liquidity sweep done. Break of structure done. Liquidity sweep done. Okay. Then the market gave us, this this resistance area. We could have entered here like this, 50 with loss. This can be trade on, or you fit. Why I am not in service? Huh? Seriously? What is happening? What? That's a wrong thing, man. That's a wrong thing. What the hell is going on, man? Okay, bro, I'm done with